So it's your turn now, Barry, and I'd like you to sing the words of I Predict a Riot by the Kaiser Chiefs to the tune of A Nightingale Sang in Berkeley Square.
Watching the people get leery, it's not very pretty, I tell thee. Walking through town is quite scary, it's not very sensible either. A friend of a friend, he got beaten. He looked the wrong way at a policeman. Would never have happened to Smeaton, an old Leodentian. I predict a riot. I predict a riot, I predict a riot, I predict a riot. I tried to get to my taxi and the man in a tracksuit attacks me. He said that he saw it before me, and once you get things a bit gory, girls scrabble round with no clothes on to borrow £1 for a condom.